Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the important currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, etc. So in this video, I'll be recommending few stocks for 4th March 2021, Thursday. Okay, so this analysis is for Thursday only. Tomorrow I'll be coming down again with tomorrow's analysis. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So my diary is ready with my bad handwriting. Okay, and please do not mind because I am not having a professional setup. I am just doing this video from the comfort of my home. Okay, so the first stock for the day is MFC Manulife. Okay, for Manulife, you can see that yesterday it has it has crossed above the daily resistance. Okay, and it has made a spinning top kind of a pattern. So spinning top kind of a pattern generally suggests that there is an invasion going on in the market. Okay, so we need to look for two levels for the day. Okay, so first level is 26.31 on the upside and the other is 25.86 on the downside. Okay, if you see that stock is trading above comfortably above 26.31 today, okay, then you can go for buy. Okay, your target will be this 26.6, and if you find the stock struggling below 25.9, okay, below 25.9, if you see that there is some selling pressure in the market, okay, the stock is unable to hold the previous price levels, and then you can short the market. Okay, you can short the market only above 25.9 level as the stock is right now trading above the daily resistance, which is now a support. So try to look for buying opportunities only above 286.3 level. So the second stock for the day is Royal Bank of Canada. For Royal Bank of Canada, you can see that it has still not broken the previous levels I have marked. Okay, so right now still it is trading in this range. So again, I'll say that you do not need to trade in between this range 110.65 and 108.3. Okay, let the stock cross 110.65 on the upside or 108.35 level on the downside, then only you should go for the order. If it crosses 110.65, then buy. If it crosses 108.35, then sell. Simple. The next stock is BNS, Bank of Nova Scotia. For Bank of Nova Scotia, you can see that if I zoom out the chart, you can see that the stock is in beautiful uptrend. Yesterday also I mentioned that this kind of stock you should be holding in your portfolio for a long time because these are like assets for you and also for a family. Okay, so for today, if you want to trade, then go for buy only. Okay, no sell call for Nova Scotia, no shorting. If you find a stock trading comfortably, beautifully above 77.45, okay, if you see that stock has opened at 77, or let me zoom in. If the stock opens at 77.32 or 77, okay, in between this range, then you should not trade. Okay, if the stock crosses 77.3 level or 4 level, okay, if you see that stock is trading comfortably, then it's a buy call. So the next stock is Bank of Montreal. For Bank of Montreal, you need to look for this level. If you get the stock above 108.49, it's a buy. Otherwise, no trading call for BMO. Okay, this is the important level for Bank of Montreal. Okay, 108.5. Okay, if you find a stock trading above 108.5, okay, then let the stock trade at least for 30 minutes above this level. Let the resistance become the support, then only initiate the buy position. Otherwise it will be too early. This is also a stock you can be holding in a portfolio. Beautiful stock. CDN Natural is the next stock, and you can see that there, as mentioned yesterday, there was a resistance here at 37.8 level, okay, 7 level, and so what we should be looking for? We should be looking for 37.9 level, okay, round figure 38, okay. If you find the stock trading above 38, or if the stocks opens at 38. Okay, let the stock trade for 15-30 minutes. Let the stock feel comfortable above 38 level. Okay, if you see that, okay, it is trading comfortably now. Okay, right now you can feel the vibe of the bulls, then go ahead and buy above 38. So the next stock is CM, Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce. This is also a stock you should be holding in a portfolio. Beautiful uptrend, beautiful uptrend. These stocks are like assets to your family, for your future. Okay. So for CM or Canadian Imperial Bank, you should be looking for this level. Okay, no short calls. Okay, the stock may show you a downfall below 120.3 level, but I will not recommend because overall the stock is in uptrend. Okay, so whenever the stock is in uptrend, you should be looking for buy calls only. Okay, so for CM or Canadian Imperial Bank, you should be looking for this level 121.6. If you find a stock trading above 121.6, buy, but make sure that the resistance has become the support. And how will you make sure? Let the stock trade comfortably above the level for half an hour at least. Okay. And if you are an aggressive trader, then you can short the stock if you find it below 120.2 level. But look for buy opportunity only above 121.6. Okay. So the last stock for the day is FTS, Fortis. For Fortis, you can see that Fortis is in downtrend. Okay. So the levels you should be looking for are this and this. Okay. Right now trading at 49.71. If you find a stock above the 50.2 level, then just observe how the trend is going on. Okay. If you see that this buying pressure is too high, okay, then only go for buy. Otherwise, try to short the market below 49.51 level. This is the level. Okay. If you find any opportunity below 49.5 level, short the stock. Okay. See, overall, this stock is in downtrend, so we'll be looking for shorting opportunities mainly. Okay. So these are the stocks for Thursday, 4th March 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I always try to bring video, and I do bring videos just before the market opens every day so that you get to stay ahead of the market. Thank you so much. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much. And please visit my website. And please do subscribe. Thank you. Good luck.